Have you ever wondered how some people always seem to win, no matter what they do? It's like everything just falls into place for them. No matter the challenge, they always come out on top. But what if I told you there's a secret behind it? There's a method, and it's one that a particular woman has been using to win over and over again in life. And the best part, it's something you can use too. In this video, we're going to reveal exactly what this method is, why it works so well, and how you can apply it in your own life. This isn't just about luck or chance, it's about a simple approach that anyone can use to start winning more often. Whether it's in your career, relationships, or personal goals, this method can change how you experience success. And here's where it gets interesting. This woman isn't just relying on the usual self-help tricks or positive thinking. What she's doing is something most people overlook, a mindset shift that seems almost too simple, yet it's incredibly powerful. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this method works so effectively and how it can help you win, too. If you've ever felt stuck, if you've ever felt like no matter how hard you try, things just don't go your way, this video is for you. We're not talking about unrealistic promises. We're talking about a real approach that has been proven to work for her and can work for you. So make sure you watch until the very end, because this method could be the key to unlocking a whole new level of success in your life. You won't want to miss the details that make all the difference. But before we dive in, welcome to your channel name, where we bring you life-changing insights, strategies, and stories to help you become the best version of yourself. If you're ready to start winning, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Now, let's get into how she always wins everything with this method. Stay tuned, it's about to get interesting. We've all been there, haven't we? That feeling when you've put in the effort, given it your all, but somehow things just don't work out. Maybe it's a job interview you were sure you nailed, but someone else got the call, or a competition you trained for, only to watch someone else walk away with the prize. It could even be something as small as a lucky draw, a contest, or just missing out on opportunities you were so close to grabbing. That feeling of almost getting there but not quite, it's frustrating. Most of us know this feeling all too well. No matter how hard we try, it often seems like success slips through our fingers at the last moment. And the more it happens, the easier it becomes to start thinking that maybe we're just unlucky, that maybe we're meant to keep losing while others win. But then there's her. She's different. Somehow, she doesn't seem to miss out. While the rest of us keep trying and failing, she wins again and again. It's like she's tapped into something the rest of us haven't figured out yet. No matter what she's up against, whether it's a big opportunity or a small challenge, she walks away with the victory. Every time. It's not that she's luckier than the rest of us. It's not that she works harder, either, at least not in the way you might think. There's something else going on, something that gives her the edge. It almost feels like she's unlocked a secret to winning that most people don't even know exists. What is it about her that makes everything seem to go her way? How does she manage to keep coming out on top, time after time, while so many others are left wondering what they're doing wrong? So, what's her secret? How is she able to win, time after time, without fail? It might surprise you, but the answer isn't some complicated formula or a hard-to-follow strategy. In fact, it's the exact opposite. It's simple, so simple that most people overlook it. She has a mindset trick, one that shifts the way she approaches every situation. Instead of chasing after success like so many of us do, constantly worrying about whether she'll win or lose, she focuses on attracting wins. It's subtle but powerful. While others are stressing, trying to control every outcome, she's calm, centered, and expecting success to come to her naturally. It's not about working harder or running after every opportunity that comes her way. It's about shifting her energy, her focus, in a way that draws success toward her. She doesn't waste her time on doubts or fears of losing. Instead, she moves through life with the confidence that she's already won, long before the outcome is even decided. And the results? Well, they speak for themselves. So, how exactly does she do it? What's her process for attracting success so consistently? It all comes down to a few simple but powerful steps that guide everything she does. The first step is her belief in abundance. She starts by trusting that there's more than enough success to go around for everyone. She's not competing for some limited prize or feeling desperate to grab what she can before it's gone. Instead, she believes that success is available to all of us, and that mindset changes everything. When you stop feeling like you're fighting for scraps, you approach situations with calm confidence. You stop feeling anxious about losing, and that relaxed attitude is exactly what helps her win. Next, she practices visualization. Before any event or opportunity, she spends time picturing herself already succeeding. She doesn't just hope for the best, she sees it in her mind with clarity. Whether it's winning a contest, landing a job, or achieving a personal goal, she creates a mental image of herself succeeding as if it's already happened. This isn't about wishful thinking, it's about training her mind to expect positive outcomes, so that when the moment comes, her actions naturally align with that vision of success. Finally, there's gratitude. After each win, no matter how big or small, she takes time to be genuinely grateful. She doesn't take her wins for granted, and that gratitude creates a positive cycle. By appreciating every victory, she reinforces the mindset that success is abundant and always available to her. This gratitude fuels her belief in abundance even more, making it easier to win the next time. It's these steps, belief in abundance, visualization, and gratitude, that form the foundation of her method. And while they might seem simple, they create a powerful shift in how she experiences life and success. Why does this method work so well for her? It's not just about positive thinking or blind optimism. The real power behind her approach lies in how it changes her mindset, and that mindset shift affects everything. When you shift your focus to expecting success, you approach situations differently. Think about it: when you're constantly worrying about failure or obsessing over whether you'll win or lose, your mind is distracted. You're filled with anxiety, second-guessing your choices, and that stress can actually lead to mistakes. But when you expect success, your mind is clear. You're more relaxed, more confident, and that calm confidence shows up in your actions. From a psychological perspective, this method works because it reduces anxiety. When you're not consumed by fear or doubt, you make better decisions. You think more clearly, and you're more likely to notice opportunities that others might miss. Confidence is contagious. It shapes how others perceive you and how you handle challenges, and this is exactly what gives her the edge. She's not paralyzed by the pressure of needing to win. Instead, she moves through situations with the quiet certainty that success is already hers. This mindset shift also boosts confidence, which is key. Confidence isn't just about feeling good, it influences your behavior in real ways. When you believe you'll succeed, you're more likely to take bold actions, to step into opportunities without hesitation. You're not held back by fear of failure because, in your mind, failure isn't an option. This shift in how you think and act is what leads to the real, tangible outcomes that make her win again and again. She's not the only one who's experienced success with this method. In fact, many others have found it to be just as powerful in their own lives. Take the story of a man who, after struggling for years in his career, decided to change his mindset. He stopped chasing every promotion out of desperation and instead focused on believing that the right opportunity would come. He visualized himself in a leadership role, practiced gratitude for what he already had, and within months, a promotion came his way, one that he hadn't even been actively pursuing. His new mindset opened doors he didn't even know existed. Then there's the story of a woman who always felt unlucky, especially when it came to money. After learning about this method, she began to shift her focus. Instead of seeing herself as someone who never wins, she started visualizing abundance and success. She believed that financial success was available to her, just as it was for others. Within weeks, she won a small lottery prize. While it wasn't life-changing, it was enough to show her that this shift in thinking could bring real results. From there, she continued to apply the method in her financial life, seeing steady improvements over time. These aren't just random examples. From job promotions to lottery wins, this method has worked for many people in different walks of life. What they all have in common is the mindset shift, believing in abundance, visualizing success, and expressing gratitude that sets the stage for consistent wins. Whether it's in their careers, relationships, or finances, they found that by applying this simple approach, they're able to attract the outcomes they want without the constant struggle or stress that used to hold them back. So why not give this method a shot? Start today, and you might be surprised by the results. It's not about luck, it's about shifting your mindset. When you expect success, visualize it, and show gratitude for every win, you'll start to see real changes in your life. This simple approach has worked for her, and for so many others, and it can work for you too. Remember, winning isn't luck, it's a mindset. She always wins because she's mastered the art of believing in abundance, visualizing her success, and being grateful for every outcome. The real question is, are you ready to win? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel, your channel name, for more insights like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.